Hi, welcome to Tutorage family. This video is a short introduction about IT mentoring service where you will know about the benefits of the product and how we differ from our clients. IT mentoring is for anybody who needs to prepare themselves for the IT job. We mentor each and every person according to their needs. We give you the explanation on each use cases. For a third or final year student, we will get their aspirations and their dream job first, and based on that, we will conduct an assessment by which we will identify the current level, and based on that, we will give them an action plan to reach their dream job. For first or second year students, they have a lot of time to prepare for a job. So we will ask them on which specialization they are interested to learn, say for example data structures or AI, ML, etc. And after that we assess them and we mentor them on that particular specialization where they can work on what they love, and they will have interactions with our mentors about the real life applications on whichever topic they study. You might face a question that they can study what they want by free YouTube study materials, but what they learn from our program is the practical applications of what they study and a career guidance from a professional working in a top product firm. Students will get an industry exposure which will be an eye-opener for them on how things work in IT industry. A non-IT student who is not from an IT background but interested in joining IT jobs can also join our program where we will assess their current level and we will give them career guidance and coaching on what IT job that suits the best. For example, if he doesn't know or not interested in coding, we will train him for testing job which requires less coding. A non-IT student or first or second year student will also get guidance on personality development, preparing for interviews and internships, how to approach a work and complete successfully, how to become a self-motivated person, and how to be more disciplined in life to achieve their goals and ambitions. Our mentors are working professionals from top IT product firms who have also been a part of recruiting team for the past 5 years. Basically, students will be given tailored inputs and action plans made just for you to groom yourself as a leader and a professional to meet your aspirations. Proper direction, preparation plan, consistent follow-up, feedback, and mock tests are given to each mentee. Stand a chance for referral to your dream software job or internship as a brownie point. Our mentoring program is for 2 months consisting of 8 weeks and 2 cycles. Before joining, you're unclear on what to do, unclear on how to reach aspirations. Within 1 week, you will get a tailored action plan and you will get a professional mentor. In 2 weeks, you will have started moving towards your target. You will have had a couple of interactions with your mentor. In 4 weeks, you will have completed 1 full cycle. We are already preparing the next cycle plan for you. At the end of cycle 1, you are now confident that the plans work for you. You're pumped up to start cycle 2, and you may want to get a mock interview to validate your progress. By the end of cycle 2, you're a changed person who is more focused and clear. You're now confident that you are empowered to meet your aspirations. Join us and get benefited.